Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Sublime You. So in this video, I have brought about another product from the brand Amrutam, which I have reviewed earlier. In fact, I have reviewed quite a number of products from this brand Amrutam in a previous video. I have linked the video in the description box, so you can give it a watch if you haven't. So in this video, I have brought another product which I had not included in the previous haul, and I thought that it is important to bring this product to your notice in a separate video because it is a star product. It is one of the best sellers, and in fact the brand Amrutam became famous because of this product. I'm talking of the Amrutam face cleanup. You have seen it in the title itself. So how I plan to film this video is that I will be starting off with this product from today, and I will be trying it out like continuously without breaking in any further new products in between. I will be just including it in my already stable skincare routine, and I will give you my review after the continued 1 month use, and I will give you all the details like whether it has any, like what improvements it brought about in my skin, whether it has any side effects, or how it reacted to my skin. I will just give you all the details. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So this is the Amrutam face cleanup, and I'm pouring out a little bit of the product on my palm, and I will dip a litmus paper in the product to check the pH of the product. Now the natural pH of our skin is around 5.5. But as I dip the litmus paper in this product, I see that that the change in color of the litmus paper is approximately around 5.5, but when it is steeping backwards, then it has a little bit of orangish reddish effect. So that means it might be 5.5 or a little lower probably. But other than that, I think that little change is very much adaptable and like okay for our skin, so we need not be worried about that because more or less it kind of matches with the 5 to 6 range, like that 4 5 6 range. It is in that range only, so we need not be worried about the pH of the product. So it has been not 1 month, but actually it has been 2 months. And why I made it 2 months is because as per the product reads, it is advisable to use it 2 to 3 times a week. So if I just use 2 to 3 times a week and not every day of the week, then I felt that 1 month might not be enough. And so I actually used it for 2 long months, and today I am finally with a proper review with this full continuous use of this particular product. And yes, I'm very happy with this particular product as well. I actually had initially some complaints regarding the price of this product, which is 1309 for 200 ml, but after I use this product, okay, so firstly I will tell you how my experience goes with it. So the first time when I used this product on my skin, then I felt a very, my skin felt very heated up, and there was some kind of irritation, some kind of burning sensation, very tiny, like very tiny needle like stinging sensation all over the face. It was a very tingling, burning, irritating sensation. I did not like the feel of this product. And as it mentions that it is mentioned in the general instructions that the tingling or the itching sensation is normal. It is the herbs in the soil releasing excess heat and toxins. The recipe is completely natural, and the color of this recipe may change over a period. However, the efficacy of the product remains the same. So according to this, yes, you should expect some kind of this itching, tingling, irritating sensation on the first 1 or 2 uses, but if you use it continually, then in the subsequent uses, like from your second or from your third use, you will see that you will not feel that that kind of irritation, that kind of, yes, a little bit heated up your skin might feel, but apart from that there is no other discomfort. And yes, I have seen that this particular product has a very much healing effect. Is that if you have any kind of breakouts that are about to pop up, or any kind of rash like things, or your skin is a little bit irritated, inflamed, then it has a very healing effect. So it not just acts on the present condition of your skin, but also it prevents your skin from getting worse. Like on the upcoming days, you will not get so many breakouts, or your skin will not be very dried. Like even after you wash it off, it has a very nice moisturizing feel. So even if I do not use my moisturizer, as because I have a very oily skin, so sometimes I skip my moisturizer even after this, but even then my skin is very nice, very soft and supple and moisturized. And also I do not get any breakouts on the upcoming days. The number of breakouts overall in a month has decreased as well. And also apart from the facial skin, I had got my hands waxed and I had some ingrown hair on my hand, and that turned out to be a pimple. Like that particular ingrown hair, it got inflamed and turned into a pimple, and it was very painful. And I started applying, like when I did not see it like breaking out completely, not settling down, like it was a very uncomfortable feeling. And so I started applying this, and this finally even healed that breakout also. So it has a very healing effect overall, and I'm very, very happy with this product. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye.